Good morning, people, and we're back. It's been a little while. Yeah, we've got the locals here talking away. So today, guys, we've got beautiful Tsunami over there in all the glory, and we're going to do a small review on the beautiful Yamaha MT-09 SP 2025 model, brand spanker. So, as you can see, she's the SP model. They've got the Brembos on there now, which actually the Brembos on there are the same Brembos as on Jigsaw Girl there. So the SP model has a KYB front suspension and with a fully adjustable Öhlins rear shock as well, as you can see there. Beautiful. Can't say no to an Öhlins shock, that's for sure. Got the CP3 beautiful engine on there. This bike also has a full system titanium Akrapovic exhaust with no cat. There's got two options. There's an option with a cat and there's an option without a cat. Cats kill, guys. Don't use cats. So next thing, he's done a tail delete right there, as you can see, which ties the back up of the bike. And he's also, it's got the comfort seat, the Yamaha comfort seat on this model. Right, guys. So the other thing this bike has is now keyless, as you can see it there. So you just turn it and on, and that's when the key is next to it, of course. And you also got a beautiful TFT display now on this model and on the previous ones, but on this one they've upgraded it again. You also have cruise control, guys. You got absolutely nothing to worry about when you're on the highway. You just set it and you go. Beautiful function there. You also have quick shifter up and down as well. He has put some domino grips on there as well. So yeah, it also has got a Brembo master cylinder as well, guys, on this model. Now the bike is pretty much standard apart from the slip-on. There's no program on the bike at the moment. Hasn't been touched, the ECU or anything like that. So yeah, I'm going to give my good old mate here my bike, which I don't give it out much, but I trust him. So he's going to ride my bike. And I'm going to have a cruise on this, give you some feedback, what it feels like, you know, and so forth. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be back for some more. So guys, just going to go now and test this bike, see what I think of her. Oh my God, there's Jigsaw Girl. He can barely touch the he can barely touch the ground. Right, so guys, we're off. We are here on the MT-03. Oh, sorry, MT-09. What am I saying? Whoa, it's quite a compact. As soon as I jump on this, I notice it's quite compact. Oh man, gotta get used to trying to ride on a naked again. It's quite a different feeling on this bike. So guys, she's actually quite comfortable. Quite comfortable, I must say. Power-wise, nice smooth delivery. Oh, that nice note of the Akrapovic. Can't go wrong there. It's got a nice bark to it. Oh, oh, oh. Bit of sand here on the ground. Nice and smooth, and he's just put a fresh set of Michelin cups on here, which is light tyre. Just getting a feel for her. Turns in nice and nice. They're quite squirmy, these Michelins, I've noticed. Yeah, I find that a bit cramped for me, actually, on this bike. Now, for him, he's quite a smaller guy. It might be perfect on him, but something just doesn't add up for me. So, first impressions, guys. I do like it. Now, I'm a bit of a heavier guy than him. I do notice when I do switch, maybe the suspension needs to be adjusted for my weight and stuff. You do get a bit of a vibration, a slight vibration, but that's the the 3-cylinder thing at certain RPM, I believe. That's what usually people say, you know. So, but nice, comfy. I just don't like to feel these tyres, guys. They're quite squirmy. You either like these Michelins or you don't. I personally don't. I'm a Dunlop guy. I like my tyre nice and hard. This, I can feel the bike squirming around. Which is, oh good, I mean, he's used to them. You see, he's gotten used to them. So, yeah, now, the bike itself, it's very comfortable. It's a very neutral position. You got a beautiful display that you can see everything really nice and clearly. The shifter, she works really nice. Oh man, got this guy in front of me. Gotta overtake him. She turns in nice. I think he's enjoying that. There's Jigsaw girl. But I would like a bit more power for me. But all in all, it's a beautiful bike. And I'll tell you what, guys, for the money you pay for this thing and the package that you get with it, you can't go wrong. For a daily bike, a track bike, you know, have a bit of fun on a track day, can't go wrong with it, guys. So, I mean, all in all, Yamaha have done a really good upgrade on this MT-09 compared to the previous models, with the brakes, the suspension, the TFT display. The shifter works really nice and smooth. It's buttery smooth. So, and it's comfortable. It's a comfortable bike. You could live with this bike on a day-to-day basis, no problem, I believe. Now, power-wise, it's fine. I mean, you don't need more than what this bike has. I think it's about 120 horsepower from the factory. So yeah, you don't really need much more than that. Brakes work sublime. Oh, had a bit of a misshift there for a second. So yeah, look, just cruising around. It's a nice and easy bike. There's going to be a bit of a straight coming up here, which I'm going to put her through her paces there, just full open throttle, and see how she reacts. But I'm just not used to the nakeds. Even though I've got a naked, this is again a different feel. The Candy Girl, the Kawasaki, the Z1000, she's a bit more stiffer, I can say, on the suspension, but that's because I've set her up like that. So yeah, I think the straight's coming up about here. Full throttle. Let's get it. Nice, nice. But yeah, like I said, for me, I would like a bit more. Probably if it's tuned. It hasn't been tuned yet. Woohoo! Yeah, she's fun. Yeah, she's fun. And of course, it's not my bike, so I'm not thrashing the hell out of it, like on the corners and stuff. Woo, yeah. So I think we're going to stop here for a snapshot, guys. Be back in a minute. All right, guys, we're back. So no, we didn't stop for a snapshot there. We just continued. Oh yeah. So we've reached to our destination for a coffee. That was my little review of the MT-09 SP, guys. Wait, you can barely touch the ground. Oh, don't drop it, buddy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Just a quick review on my mate's bike. I really enjoyed it, I must say, as a first time actually riding an MT-09. So all in all, fantastic bike. Really good for its value, for its money, what you get with this bike. Highly recommend one if you want a fun, nimble bike. And yeah, so stay tuned till next time. Peace out, guys.